February 23rd, 4:49 p.m. Battery's running kind of low, so I got to make this fast. I'm going to use polarized glasses. Looks like that little orb's still there on the right. There it is. Go up and down with it, left and right. Tilt the glasses. Yeah, it's still there. Nice little flyby plane. Okay. And take this off. Let's try it again one more time for good measure, just to show you. Polarized sunglasses. There's that orb. There's two red ones, and then there's that one. And move it away, put it back. See? There it is. It's not like I'm lying, people. It's there. All right, let me know what you guys think. They've been trying to spray real heavily. They're not covering it. There's too much wind out here in California. All right, everybody, be good to each other. Peace out. I'll try to get the sunset, but this battery's about ready to die on me. I need to buy a new one. I haven't had a chance. Maybe next week. All right, peace out.